this video, we will show how to replace the T-Con board in this Vizio TV. It is recommended to take pictures during the repair process to use as a reference point. Be sure your TV is unplugged. Disconnect all of the cables connected to the board. The T-Con board may be covered by a plastic or metal shield that needs to be removed. Remove the screws and the board from the chassis. Align the replacement board and install the screws to secure the board to the chassis. I will reconnect all of the cables and connections on the board.